Replacing windows is a significant investment that can boost your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. For Scottsdale homeowners, selecting the right window replacement service is essential, given the local climate's demands on materials and energy performance. Here's a guide to finding the best residential window replacement services in Scottsdale to ensure you get the quality, expertise, and value your home deserves. Evaluate experience and expertise in Scottsdale. Choosing a window replacement service with experience in Scottsdale is crucial, as they'll be familiar with the specific requirements of the area's dry, sunny, and sometimes extreme climate. Scottsdale's high temperatures and intense sun exposure mean that not all windows are created equal. Some materials and designs will hold up better than others. Local knowledge. Seek out companies that have been operating in Scottsdale for several years. These professionals understand the types of windows that work best in the area, from heat-reflective glass coatings to frames that resist warping in hot weather. Specialization in residential projects. Residential window replacement requires different expertise than commercial projects. Ask if the company specializes in residential services to ensure they understand homeowner needs, such as style, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. Look for high-quality window options. The best window replacement companies offer a range of quality products to fit different budgets, styles, and performance needs. Scottsdale's unique climate demands windows that can handle heat, UV exposure, and energy efficiency challenges. Energy-efficient options. Energy-efficient windows can help keep your home cooler, reduce air conditioning costs, and maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Look for options that feature double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas fills like argon or krypton, which insulate better than air. Durable materials. Scottsdale's weather can be tough on materials. Vinyl and fiberglass are often preferred over wood for their resistance to warping, cracking, and maintenance needs. Aluminum frames are also popular due to their durability, though they can conduct heat unless treated with thermal breaks. Consider the warranty coverage. A strong warranty is a mark of confidence from the window replacement company. It's also a valuable safety net for you, protecting your investment from potential issues down the line. Product warranty. Most high-quality windows come with a manufacturer's warranty covering defects in materials and craftsmanship. This warranty can range from 10 years to a lifetime, so be sure to ask about the length and specifics. Installation warranty. Even the best windows won't perform well if they aren't installed correctly. The best Scottsdale window replacement services offer installation warranties, which cover issues that might arise from poor installation techniques. Look for companies that offer a minimum of 1 year on installation, though some reputable companies offer 5 years or more. Assess customer service and reputation. When it comes to window replacement, outstanding customer service can make the process much smoother. A company that values its customers will be responsive, transparent, and supportive throughout the entire project. Consultation and transparency. The best window replacement companies provide free consultations, where they'll assess your current windows, discuss options, and provide a detailed estimate. During this process, they should answer your questions openly and avoid pressuring you into a quick decision. Reviews and testimonials. Online reviews can be valuable in gauging a company's reputation. Check reviews on Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau to see what past customers have to say about their experience. Look for companies with high ratings and consistent positive feedback. Clear communication. A reliable window replacement service will communicate timelines, project updates, and installation schedules clearly. They should be easy to reach and willing to address any concerns you may have. Get multiple quotes. Getting several quotes is a wise step in any home improvement project, and window replacement is no exception. Different companies may offer a range of prices and packages, so comparing options helps you find the best value for your investment. Value, not just price. While budget is important, remember that the cheapest option may not always provide the best long-term value. Focus on companies that offer quality windows, professional installation, and a fair warranty. A slightly higher upfront cost can pay off in reduced energy bills, better comfort, and fewer repairs over the years. Detailed estimates. A reputable company will provide a clear, detailed estimate that outlines product costs, installation fees, and any additional charges. Avoid companies that give vague quotes, as hidden fees could add up. Check for proper licensing and insurance. Finally, make sure the window replacement company is fully licensed and insured. Licensing demonstrates that they meet Scottsdale's regulations for home improvement work, while insurance protects you from liability if an accident occurs on your property during installation. Finding the right residential window replacement service in Scottsdale takes a bit of research, but the results are worth the effort. By prioritizing experience, quality products, warranty coverage, excellent customer service, and fair pricing, you'll ensure that your new windows provide comfort, energy savings, and beauty for years to come. With these considerations in mind, you'll be well on your way to a successful and satisfying window replacement project.